Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cooking with Patricia. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make the best Jamaican fish tea. Yes guys, you heard me correctly. I have my fish right here guys. Some persons traditionally use fish head, but I'm going to be using a fish. Just gonna make a small amount of fish tea for you guys today. I have my pumpkin right here. I also have my okras, right? I also have my potatoes, my fish tea, my grace fish tea, my scotch bonnet pepper, as well as my corn and my carrots. You name it guys, this is gonna be a bomb. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button down below. Please like out the video guys, share, comment and subscribe.
Guys, this is as easy as 1, 2, 3. It not gonna take long, it not gonna take no time. Just come with me now. Let's go.
So guys, at this point in time the fish tea done, it is el finisho. So I'm gonna be sharing you guys a bowl, let you guys see the finished product. Guys, this is what fish tea should look like, this is what it should smell like, this is what it should taste like. So guys, this is the end result. This is what my good old Jamaican fish tea is looking like. Guys, it is a very delicious. Guys, it tastes good. Me nah lie. Everything mashed out in there, everything just soft and nice guys. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button down below. Please like out the video guys, share, comment and subscribe. Also comment down below what you would like to see me cook next. Bye guys.